Alright class, this is Miss Lee, your Math Foundation teacher. I am going to go over to this lesson with you. We are in Math Foundation and you can download this worksheet from Schoology. This is called the place value chart. It gives you the place value of every number that we are going to see in this class. For this part, we are only going to be looking at numbers bigger than 1, okay? So every number in math is basically a decimal number for this class, all right? So for example, if I give you the number 5, okay? So 5 is really 5.0, but we don't write down the 0.0 because everybody in math knows that 5 is the same as 5.0. So we just don't write it, but you should know that 5 is the same thing as 5.0, okay? Now, if you look at this chart here, your decimal point is right here. This is your decimal point, and this is a big number, okay? It's 1,342,365.1427. Okay, so this is a big number, and every number that is there has a place value. It has, a house that belongs to. Okay, so you have the 7 here, which belongs to the 10,000s. Okay, the 2 that belongs to the thousandths place. This 4 that belongs to the hundredths place, and this one that belongs to the tenths place. Notice that all the place value after the decimal point has a THS, 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 THS. These are numbers that are smaller than 1. Now all the numbers to the left, okay, this is the left side of the 0, are all the numbers that are bigger than 1, okay? So you have 5, which is in the ones place, 6, which is in the tens place, 3, which is in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place, 4 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, and 1 in the millions place. All right? So for example, if I were to give you this problem and I say, in this problem, what is the place value of that underlined number, that 4 which is underlined? Your answer is going to be 4 is in the 10,000s place, okay? For the same problem, if I ask you, what is the place value of this 3, which is underlined? What you are going to tell me is 3 in this problem is in the hundreds place. So that's your answer. For the same problem, if I ask you, what is the place value of this underlined number, which is the 1? Again, what you are going to tell me is 1 is in the millions place. Okay? So I'm going to give you another example. But now I'm going to make up the number for you, okay? And we are going to use the chart up here. So again, for this exercise, we are going to be looking at only numbers to the right of 0, which is what this chart that you see right here is about, okay? So right here, your decimal point is right here, but we are not writing it. We're just looking at all the numbers from 1 to 1 million, okay? So for example, if I give you the number 6,533, and I say, what is the place value of the 6? Your answer is going to be, it's in the thousands place, okay? Another one. If I tell you or give you, let me go and change the color here, give you something. Let's work with green. So if I tell you or give you 16,311, and I ask you, what is the place value of the underlying number 3? Your answer is going to be, it's in the hundreds place. So all you need to do is count, okay? Or if I tell you or give you the number, let's say 907, and I ask you, what is the place value of the underlined number 7? Your answer is going to be the ones, all right? Now, what if you don't have this chart? Okay, so if you don't have this chart and I give you a number like, let's see, 14,915, okay? All you need to do is if I underline this number, for example, so if I underline that one, all you need to do is count, okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is the fifth place on this chart, okay? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's this one. So the answer would be 1 is in the 10,000s place, okay? 10,000s, okay? All right. And again, let's do another one. If I give you, let's say, 3,290, and I ask you, what is the place value of that number 2? Again, you are going to count, okay, from the left side, okay? So you have, here you have 0, okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, okay? So we need 3 places. Here's 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 2 is in the hundreds place. All right, so I hope that this helps you with your assignment today. I'm going to go ahead and download this also on YouTube, and you can watch it, and hopefully this will help you. If you have more questions, please send them my way, okay? So again, this is the place value chart that will help you with your worksheet. Thank you.